Welcome everyone again in Vedika's tutorial. So in this video we are going to talk about the properties of addition. Okay, so before watching the video, please like and subscribe my channel Vedika's tutorial for new updates and notification, and please press the bell icon also, okay, so that you get the notification whenever I upload the new video. Now starting from the properties of addition, there are 4 properties of addition. Okay, we are going to talk about every one in stepwise, like one by one. Okay, so the first property of addition is the closure property. So let's begin our class with the first property of addition, that is closure property. Closure property. Okay, you all know how to do the addition with regrouping and without regrouping. Okay, if you are not knowing the process of with regrouping and without regrouping, kindly visit my video. I have uploaded a video regarding that also. So the closure property is, closure means close. Okay, closure is derived from the word close. So the closure property means if two numbers are going to be added, like A and B. Okay, if A and B are two whole numbers, okay, both are whole numbers and both are going to be added, so their sum will be C. Okay, so the closure property says that if A and B are two whole numbers and they are going to be added and when their sum will be C, so C is also a whole number. C will also be a whole number. This is the closure property. Like suppose that if we are going to add 3 plus 2, okay, 3 plus 2, so we get the result 5. So here 3 and 2 both are whole number, okay, and therefore 5 is also a whole number. 5 is also a whole number. Okay, so this is the closure property, first property of addition. Okay, so let's quickly go to the second property, that is commutative property. Let's talk about the second property, that is commutative property. Commutative property of addition. The property of addition is the topic in grade 3, 4, 5 and even in 6 also. Okay, you can see this topic in all these 4 grades. Okay, and it is very important. There are properties in subtraction also, in multiplication also. We will talk about each one of the operation and the properties one by one. Okay, so this is commutative property. Commutative property means that suppose that there are two whole number, that is A plus B. Okay, when we add, okay, and whatever the result will be, the result is same when we add the number by writing it in reverse order. Like if we add A plus B, the result will be equal to if we add B plus A. For example, suppose that I have taken a digit 4, okay, and I am adding it to 5. So the result will be equal to 5 plus 4. Okay, so this is our commutative property. Okay, this is our commutative property. Now let's talk about the third property, that is, you all know what is the third property. Third property is associative property. Third property is associative property of addition. Okay, so in associative property, what is the formula? Formula is very simple. A plus B plus C, okay, is equal to A plus B plus C. As from the formula, you all can assume that this property says that in case of addition, okay, this is the associative property of addition. In case of addition, in whether format we add the numbers, our result will be same. Suppose that I am adding 4 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, so A plus B plus C, and if here I have given bracket between A and B, and if I give the bracket between B plus C, again our result will be same. Okay, as I have told you in the simplification chapter that first step is to remove the bracket. Before going to the order of operation, our first step is to remove the bracket. So when we remove the bracket, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Here also, first step is we have to remove the bracket, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Our result will be same. So this is the main property of addition. But in earlier, starting in the video, I have told that we are going to talk about fourth property of addition. Our fourth property is additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity means when a number is going to be added in 0, okay, the number will remains the same. Suppose that if we add a plus 0 or 0 plus a, in both the case our result will be a. Means if a number is going to be added in 0 or 0 is going to be added in a number, in both the cases the result will be the number itself. So why 0 is called as additive identity? Because it maintains the identity of the number which is going to be added with 0. It is going to maintain the identity. That is why this property is called as additive identity. Okay? So let's start few more questions related to grouping and regrouping of addition. So here we are going to talk about with grouping and without regrouping of addition. So first of all, let's start with without regrouping. Okay. Suppose that there is an example. We are going to add 25,421. Okay. And the second, and this number is going to be added in 32,253. Okay, these two numbers we are going to add. So in case of with regrouping, without regrouping, what happened? First of all, we have to place the number according to its place value. That is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, like this. Okay, and then we put the number, that is 25,421 and 32,253. According to their correct places, we have to place the numbers. Then we are going to add. Okay, this is the case of without regrouping. Okay, that means 3 plus 1, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, okay, and 3 plus 2, 6. Sorry, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So 57,674 is our result, and this is the case of without regrouping. Without regrouping means what? Without regrouping means there is no need to take carry from another number. There is no need to carry. Okay, so what is this term called? The number which is going to be added, like this one, these both numbers are going to be added. So the number which is going to be added are called as addends, and there the result is called as sum. Okay, when we add the addends, we get the sum. So this is the question example of without regrouping. So let's talk about with regrouping. Okay, so for with regrouping, we have to take another example. Let's this remains the same. This will be 37,689. Okay, this is our second example. In with regrouping case also, we have to arrange the number with its correct place value. Okay, that is 1,000, 10,000. Okay, and take 1 lakhs. Okay, so the proper way of writing the number is 25,421, and the second one is 37,689. Okay, now what is going to be in this? What is the difference? The main difference is we have to take carry over here. Okay, how? 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Very smart kids. 10. So for 10 we have to write only 0 and 1 will be carry over in the tens column. Okay. Now 1 will be carry over in tens column. There is no use of 1 in ones column. Now 8 plus 2 here. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10 and 10 plus 1 carry 11. Again for 11 we write only 1 and again 1 will be carry over in 1000. So this carry we need to remove this. Okay. Now 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and again there is 1 carry. 10 plus 1. Again there is 11. For 11 again we need to write 1 and 1 will be carry over. Okay. Now 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 1 13. For 13 we need to write 3 and again 1 will be carry over in 1000 column, 10,000 column. Okay. Now 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So here our result is 63,110. Okay. So hope you have understood the difference between without regrouping and with regrouping. First we start from without regrouping so that we know the property of addition. Okay. And then we are going to solve the questions related to with regrouping. In with regrouping case nothing we have to do. We have to just take the carry. Okay. So this is all about the addition and its property. In the next video we are going to talk about the subtraction and their property. So stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you.